Greetings everyone. Myself Pavalampika Swakumar, a final year student currently pursuing BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Ijaspala Engineering College. My teammate is Nityashri Babu. We have completed a project named Enhancing Customer Acquisition and Retention for Supermarket through AI-driven customer segmentation and RAG-based chatbot under the guidance of Dr. S. Palnimurugan Sir, Academic Director, Ijaspala Engineering College. The reason for choosing this project is that many of the supermarket owners are failing to retain the customer. As a result, they are losing their customer as well as losing their revenue. In order to address this issue, we have built two modules. One is customer segmentation module for clustering the customer based on the purchase behavior, and the another one is RAG based chatbot. The RAG based chatbot is a virtual assistant. It will be answering all the queries asked by the customers. It might be a query related to products as well as offer. It can able to answer all the queries in both languages. One is Tamil and another one is English. And also we have enabled a voice based assistant. This assistant is available 24 by 7, and this is the landing page of our website, and it has two panels. One is admin and another one is user panel. So it tells how it works, like register and login, chat and order, and pick up with QR. So first let's get into the user panel. As I have created account already, I'm going to log in directly now. If we don't have an account, we need to register it by giving name, mail ID, phone, password, and create account. So after login, we need to choose our language. I'm going to choose English as my language now. So here is a welcome message. First, I have already said like there is a voice based assistant as well as text based assistant. Now I'm going to give it through text. So here we is it's answering like yes, we do have milk and its price and stock. So now I'm going to order Amul milk through voice based assistant. Order to Amul milk 1 liter.
Great choice. So you'd like to Amul milk 1L, right?
Yeah.
Nivel Supermarket. Order confirmation. Order ID 17489.
So here the order confirmation is displayed, and here the price of Amul milk is 50. I have ordered it 2, and the final amount is 100. We can directly download the bill here. Yeah, this is the bill generated along with the time as well as the date, February 10, 2026, and 11:55 a.m. And this is a bill. Here we can choose payment as pay online payment as well as pay in shop. As of now, online payment is not enabled. It will be added in future. When we give pay in shop, here a pop-up button will be available, and here thank you message will be coming. Now I have choose Tamil as my language. Let me ask question like மைதா மாவு உள்ளதா?
வணக்கம். எ- எங்க கடையில் மைதா மாவு இல்லை, ஆனால் கோதுமை மாவு இருக்கிறது. ஆசீர்வாத் கோதுமை மாவு 1 கிலோ பாக்கெட் ரூபாய் 180. இப்போ ஒரு சூப்பர் ஆஃபர் இருக்கு. ஒன்று வாங்கினால் ஒன்று இலவசம். வேறெதுவும் வேண்டுமானால் கேளுங்க.
So in the database there is no maida flour available. So it's asking like Ashirwad brands wheat flour is available for rupees 180, and it's also in offer like buy one get one. Do you need like that? It's asking for that, and here this is how the virtual assistant works for the user. Now I'm going to log out and I'm going to log in through admin. So this is the admin dashboard. There are two things. One is product and another one is receipts. Like if we need to add some products by the supermarket owners, then we can add it through add product by giving product ID and its brand name. Here I am going to give add basmati rice and its brand is India Gate. After adding this, it's displayed here. If there is any offer, we need to give it there. Similarly, we can add other products as well. If we want to edit, we can edit it directly. Like if the offer is only valid for certain period, we can change it here. Like by removing it, we can change. Now the offer has been removed, and here there is a receipts option. This is the receipt panel. Like it will be giving the customer name, phone number, amount and date, status and action. For now, Nivel has been ordered for rupees 100 and the verification status is pending. So when I click verify, the status will be turned into verified. So once I receive the money, the supermarket owner will be giving verify so that the status can be converted into verified. Now it's changed to verified. So this is how it works, and it will be mainly useful when the user or customer is not available in their home. They can order it in prior and they can pick up the order whenever they are free. So further updates can be done, like delivery can also be facilitated as a further update. Now the customer segmentation module will be explained by my colleague Nityashri.
Hi everyone, I am Nityashi Babu. Now I am going to explain the customer segmentation module. This is the dataset used for customer segmentation. Here we combine the two algorithms SOM and K means. SOM means self-organizing map. So it helps to visualize the customer similarity, and K means help for clear customer boundary. So combining these two algorithms, we gave the accurate answers. So in this graph, each color represents the customer group based on the similar purchasing behavior. And then here we have to perform the RFM analysis. RFM means recency, frequency and monetary. Recency means how recently a customer made a purchase. Frequency means how often the customer buys. Monetary means how much the customer spend for the product. So to make the results accurate, we selected the best number of clusters. Using the sellout score, we take 0.5736. After performing the RFM analysis, we go for the label segments. Based on the RFM metrics, we segment the customers like high spenders, at-risk customers and new customers. Then we have to easily understand to go for the visualization. This graph represents the relationship between the customer count per cluster. The larger bar represents the larger customer group. Then this graph represents the relationship between average RFM score per cluster. Blue color represents the recency days. Orange color represents the frequency and green color represents the monetary. Next part of our project is customer churn prediction. Here we created a new feature called days since last purchase by calculating the difference between today's date and the customer last purchase date. Based on this, we label the customer as churned customers and not churned customers. Churned customer means if they have not purchased for more than 90 days. Not churned customers means if they purchased recently. Here we split the data training and testing set and trained a random forest classifier model to predict the customer churn and then evaluate using accuracy, precision and recall. This graph represent how many days they have passed since customers made their last purchase. The x-axis represent the number of days since last purchase. Y-axis represent the number of clusters. From this we can understand how recently customers are purchasing. Customers with the higher values represent or more likely to churn. This box plot represents the distribution of customer ratings for churned and retained customers. The x-axis represents the churn status, the y-axis represents the rating values. From this we can compare the customer satisfaction between the churned and the retained customers. Lower ratings may indicate the higher chances to churn. Then we go for the SMS. Based on the customer segmentation using RFM analysis, different SMS messages are sent to different customer groups. Loyal customers receive the reward message while at-risk customers receive re-engagement offers. Here we use Twilio SMS API to send real-time SMS messages to customers. For example, loyal high spender customer get a message like, "Hi customer, thank you for being a loyal shopper. Enjoy 20% offer on your next visit." Normal customer get a message like, "Hi customer, explore our latest offers and enjoy 10% offer." At-risk customer get a message like, "Hi customer, we miss you. Come back and get 50% offer in your next purchase." This is the sample SMS we receive from the supermarket. The final part of our project is visualization. We use data visualization to convert complex numerical data into simple charts and graphs. This makes it easy for supermarket owners and managers to understand business performance at a glance. Instead of reading tables of numbers, they can quickly see patterns, trends and comparisons using visual graphs. This bar chart shows the supermarket's profit for each month. The x-axis represents the month, the y-axis represents the profit. From this graph, the owner can easily see which month has the highest profit and which month has the lowest profit. This helps in planning inventory, offers and marketing strategies for future months. This horizontal bar chart shows the number of sales for each product category such as food, fashion, electronics and health products. The x-axis represents the number of sales, the y-axis represents the product line. From this graph, the owner can quickly identify which products are selling the most and which are selling the least. This helps in deciding stock levels and promotional offers. Thank you.